Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Inertia is a property of matter. T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the Science Guy.
Go.
What is respiration?
Respiration is moving gases in and out of your lungs like carbon dioxide and oxygen. It's called by ventilation and perfusion. What are the major organs and where are they located?
The lungs are located in the chest cavity, right around here, on either side of the breastbone. The trachea is located in the lower neck area, right here. They are also referred to as the windpipes. This carries oxygen to the lungs. Above the trachea is the pharynx, or however you say that. This carries food, air, and fluid down from the nose and the mouth. The bronchi are the tubes that connect at the top of the trachea and direct air into the lungs. The alveoli is your lungs, in your lungs. This helps lungs and blood exchange oxygen when breathing in and out.
How efficient are the lungs at getting carbon dioxide in and out?
When you breathe, air enters your lungs and reaches the alveoli. The layers of the alveoli are 1 cell thick and they're very close to each other. Oxygen moves fast through these layers into the blood capillaries, and carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the alveoli before it is exhaled. To support the absorption of oxygen and release carbon dioxide, 8 to 5 liters of gallons of air are brought in and out of the lungs per minute, and about 0.3 of a liter of oxygen are moved from the alveoli into the blood each minute. What is the hemoglobin and why is it important to the respiratory system?
Hemoglobin is a protein molecule found in red blood cells. Without this, the blood would not be able to get oxygen to the rest of the cells in the body. It helps to transfer the oxygen to the rest of the cells. And without this, they would not be able to survive. How does the diaphragm help you breathe?
The diaphragm contracts and flattens as the chest cavity enlarges upon inhalation. The contraction creates a vacuum pulling air into the lungs. The diaphragm then relaxes and returns to its original shape upon exhalation.
In what ways do you control your breathing, and in what ways is it automatic?
Breathing is both rhythmic and automatic. You don't actually have to think about breathing in order to breathe. It is controlled by the neurons in your brain, and this directs the muscles to form the wall of the thorax and abdomen to produce pressure gradients and move air in and out of the lungs.
How does tobacco affect the lungs?
Smoking can possibly cause lung disease by damaging your airways and the alveoli found in your lung. Lung disease caused by smoking includes COPD. This is stuff like emphysema. Smokers are around 13 more times likely to die from COPD. What is emphysema?
Emphysema is a lung disease that causes shortness of breath. It's caused by damage to the alveoli. This is a picture of the alveoli. They're in the lungs and they help with exchanging oxygen and carbon from the lungs to the blood. Over time, the inner lining of these will weaken and rupture, and it creates large air spaces and reduces surface area in the lungs. This also reduces the amount of oxygen in your blood, and when this happens, they won't work properly and they will trap old air, and you won't get the symptoms of it right away. It'll appear gradually, and it can be caused by smoking, air pollution, chemical fumes, and dust. And you can get heart problems and also a collapsed lung, and people with this also can have bronchitis. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill.
When you breathe, air enters your lungs and reaches the alveoli. The layers of the alveoli are very...
Alveoli.